Aloe vera oil is derived from the aloe vera plant, also known as true aloe or medicinal aloe. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that's native to arid areas of northern Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. Aloe vera oil has a long history in traditional medicines and has been used to treat burns, heal cysts, and promote the healing of wounds. Aloe vera oil is also used in cosmetics, including makeup, shampoo, conditioner, and hair gel. Ingredient: 1/2 cup fresh aloe vera gel. If you want to know about how to make aloe vera gel, you can watch it on my another video on the description of this video. 1/2 cup coconut oil. Instruction: put aloe vera gel in a vessel and mash it properly using a fork or spoon until you see no lumps. Add coconut oil to it and mix properly. Put the vessel on the double boiler and heat it on a medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes with occasional stirring. Pour the aloe vera oil in a dark bottle and refrigerate it. Add 2 or 3 drops of your favorite essential oil to the above ingredients and mix well. How to use aloe vera hair oil. Gently massage the aloe vera oil onto your scalp and leave it on overnight. Add few drops of essential oil like lavender oil to your aloe vera oil and use it for hair growth. The next morning, wash your hair with a gentle shampoo. Aloe vera benefits for hair. Promotes hair growth. Aloe vera has the incredible ability to increase blood circulation to an area. That's part of why its healing properties are so unique. When you use aloe vera on your hair and scalp, blood flow to your scalp increases. When your scalp has been cleansed and your hair has been conditioned with aloe vera, you might see that hair breakage and loss slows down, strengthens and repairs hair strands. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. All 3 of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. Deep cleans oily hair. Aloe vera cleanses the hair follicle efficiently, stripping off extra sebum, oil, and residue from other hair products. But aloe vera doesn't hurt your hair strands while it cleans. Unlike other chemicals in hair products, aloe vera is gentle and preserves the integrity of your hair.